So I'm gonna do this Rick and Morty onto an iPhone 13. I'm gonna sublimate it onto an iPhone 13 Pro Max case. This is the case ordered from Amazon. This is the little back piece that it's gonna go on. And then I'll show you what it looks like in the packaging that it comes in. So it's a 6-pack. So it just comes in a little plastic packaging. I can't remember exactly how much they cost, but we're gonna set the heat press to the same thing that I would do a license plate at 395 degrees for about 45 seconds. So I'm gonna try to do this. I'm not using my camera this time. I am actually recording the video with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I have already removed the plastic cover from this. I'm just gonna wipe it off, make sure from where I stuck my fingers on it and I didn't leave anything. So we're just gonna flip it over just to see where we are and try to get it as straight as possible, which that looks pretty good. Just gonna cut off part of the jacket. All right. Make sure it doesn't move. Went a little overboard with the tape, but that's okay. As long as it holds it in place, we are good. But tape down. I'm not gonna cut it out. All right, we're gonna move over to the heat press. So I always put butcher paper down because I've already done this when I was doing a coaster and it left the ink on there. So put one piece of butcher paper down, grab the backing of the case, and then put butcher paper on top. And then my heat press is color sub. This is peeling, wow. But that's peeling off. And it's hot. I plan on getting a new heat press. I want the one that's where it slides out on the bottom, but this works for now. And then it's at 393. That's high enough. So tighten that a little bit since it's so skinny. So we're gonna do it for 45 seconds. So I have a heat resistant glove, but so we're gonna remove it to see how it did. So before I remove the last piece of tape, let's move it over to the light. Which it is still hot. So turn it around and we'll just boop, flip it over, and bam. So I like how it seems cheap. So So it bent a little bit right here, but overall, this came out pretty good. All right. Little shadowing at the bottom, but overall, for a first try, not bad. And this part kind of looks like it goes with it with the colors anyway. Hey, I'm still gonna rock it. But yeah. All right, so now we're gonna add it to the phone case. If that will come up. Alright, so then you peel it up to get the sticky. And then you just line it up. Nice. All right. So then this is the final product. Of the Rick and Morty. And adding it to the case from Amazon. So everything lines up with the putting the metal on the sticky of the sticky backer part of the case until it's like everything's in, and then once you get to the, I don't know if you can see, but won't focus that great, but this bottom part doesn't fit in. It's raised on the bottom, but it's lined up where it's supposed to sit in the black piece that's on the back. Everything lines up except for the bottom. But overall, I like it. I think I'm about to switch out my cases now. All right, so after doing a little working it in and trying to force it, it finally went in on the bottom as well. So, hey, overall cases, we'll see. But I really like the back. It worked. But I'll put a link to what cases I ordered on Amazon, just in case you want to give them a try. But thanks for watching.